How to use Coinbase for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use Coinbase for beginners, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to use Coinbase for beginners, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Coinbase. Now I'm assuming you've already went ahead, signed up, created an account and done everything else. Once you have done that, if you look at the home tab, you'll be able to see all the accounts set up and the current cryptocurrency values, the increment, the decrement and so on. If you look under the my assets, you'll see anything that you own, which is your overall balance. You can choose to add a cash, you can see your cryptocurrencies that you have or the balances that you might have. If you go to the trade option, you will be able to buy cryptocurrencies, sell cryptocurrencies or convert cryptocurrencies, or you can also tap on more, choose to link or cash out or cash in from your bank account or to your bank account. Similarly, if you go to the explore tab, you can explore other stocks, dApps, NFTs and so on and so forth. Now if you want to do something, of course you can always go to the buy option, which is, I'm assuming most of you are going to buy cryptocurrency here. You can tap the buy option, select a cryptocurrency, enter a certain amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy, and then you will be able to buy them. And this way you can use Coinbase as a beginner. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.